Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cleaning out my fridge. I haven't cleaned it since I moved in and it's been a couple of months, so there are things that need to be thrown away, lots of wipe down and stuff. So I will show you the before and then I'll show you the after. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and push that bell button so you guys be notified every time I upload a video. And I will show you the before. So let's get on to the video. So this is my fridge before. So I definitely need to be cleaning it out and just straightening it up, organizing it and stuff and so forth. And yeah, things need to be thrown away. So this is the before. And decluttering because I only got like literally 6 more minutes on my phone, but this is what I'm working with. Gotta organize, and this is actually all thrown away, so I am going to do this real quick, organize it, wipe everything down. I am going to show you guys me wiping this down and everything, and I will see you guys. Make this really quick, but this is our dinner tonight, so I'm defrosting. That's my leftovers. Not mine, my son's leftover for his snacks. But this is the after. Now that I pretty much organize it, my fridge looks kind of empty. So this is all fruits and vegetables, and just extra stuff. Yep, so this is the after. It wasn't that dirty, but it was kind of dirty. So I'm thinking this tray was for like butter, but I just put it for sauce. Yeah. So this is the after, and this is all throwaway stuff that I need to throw away and wash and everything. And I was gonna put this back in the fridge, but I'm gonna put this in the pantry. This is not even open, so this is gonna go in the pantry. So I hope you guys enjoyed that clean my fridge with me, clean, decluttered, organized with me. Again, if you guys enjoy these videos, give it a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you guys be notified every time I upload more videos. Yeah, and I will see you guys in the next video. I don't know what my next video will be, so see you guys then. Bye.